Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Persistent Systems Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in millions. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 991 crores. This year 229 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 24% year on year revenue was increased. This is positive sign. Later other income. Previous year 21 crores. This year 38 crores. Here approximately 18 crores was increased. Later expenses. Employee benefit expenses. Previous year 578 crores. This year 732 crores. Here employee benefit expense increased from 578 to 732. That means approximately 150 crores was increased. Later cost of professionals. Previous year 135 crores, this year 180 crores. Here 45 crores was increased. Persistent Systems is a software company. So employees are the core strength for IT companies. So here they are spending more money for employees. Later finance cost. Previous year 1.4 crore, current year 2.2 crores. A little bit finance cost increase, but they are paying only 2.2 crores as interest. That means this is zero debt company. This is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 43 crores, now 35 crores. Here both are equal. We'll ignore this one. Later other expenses. Previous year 132 crores, now 115 crores. Here 15 crores other expenses decreased. Next item is profit before tax. Previous year 122 crores, this year 203 crores. Here approximately 80 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 66% profit before tax increase. This is very good figure. Later tax expense. Here total tax expenses. Previous year 32 crores, this year 51 crores. Later profit for the period. Previous year 90 crores, this year 151 crores. Here 61 crores profit for the period increase. This is positive sign. We'll check it in percentage. Here 68% profit after tax year on year increase. This is very good figure. Later, here earning per share basic. Previous year 11.78 rupees, now 19.79 rupees. Here approximately 8 rupees was increased. This is very good figure. This is positive sign. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. Revenue from operations. Previous quarter 1113 crores. This quarter 229 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 10% quarter on quarter increase. This is good figure. Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 184 crores. Now 203 crores. Here 20 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 10% increased. Later profit for the period. Previous quarter 137 crores. Now 151 crores. Here approximately 13 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 10% increased. What we observed based on year on year results and quarter on quarter results. Persistent Systems year on year results are very good. Quarter on quarter results are average. But we are giving more importance for year on year. That means Persistent Systems year on year results are excellent. Now check few more points. Go down. Here we have segment results. First one is segment revenue BFSI. Previous year 315 crores. Current quarter 379 crores. Here increased. Healthcare and life sciences. Previous quarter 195 crores. Now 251 crores. Here 55 crores was increased. Later technology companies. Previous year 480 crores. This year 599 crores. Here approximately 120 crores was increased. Now check the profits. BFSI. Previous year 104 crores. Now 134 crores. Here 30 crores was increased. Later, healthcare and life sciences. Previous year 89 crores, now 133 crores. Here approximately 43 crores was increased. Later, technology and companies. Previous year 158 crores, now 192 crores. Here 34 crores was increased. If we compare with revenues with profits, healthcare life sciences got less revenues, but here profits are high. That means profit margins are high in healthcare and life sciences. Later BFSI, later technology companies. Now let's check dividend and valuation ratios. Here in BSE website, current price of Persistent Systems is 2,829 rupees. Later we'll go to corporate actions. We'll check the dividends. Here in 2018, they gave dividend as 10 rupees. Later in 2019, they gave dividend as 11 rupees. Here 1 rupee was increased. Later in 2020, they gave 12 rupees. Here 1 rupee increase. Later 21, they gave 20 rupees. Here dividend was increased from 12 rupees to 20 rupees, means approximately 60 to 70% increase. That is positive sign. Later, here ROC of Persistent is 21.2%, ROE is 16.1%. ROC is greater than 20% and ROE is less than 20%. But these are average ROE and ROC. This is good sign. Later, debt to equity 0.04. That means this company is zero debt company. Here promoter holding is 31%. This is low, but for IT companies, normally promoters contains low promoter holding. Later, free cash flow for 10 years 2,394 crores. This is positive sign. Later, price to sales here 4.8. That means to generate 1 rupee sales, we are giving 5 rupees. So this is also good ratio. Now check last 4 quarters price chart and results. Here we have price chart for 1 year. Before 1 year, price is 740. Current price is 2,800. The price was increased from 740 to 2,800 in 1 year. Now we'll check the results. Here we have results for last 4 quarters. Last year's June quarter, they got 19% sales and 9% profits. Later in September quarter, here 13% sales and 18% profits. In December quarter, sales are 16.5% and profits are 37%. Later in March quarter, sales are 20%, profits are 64%. So here last 4 quarters, their profits are in positive and also profits are good. And if you check current quarter sales and profits are very good. Here they got good results. Due to these results, here price was increased from 740 rupees to 2,800. Now we'll check more than 1 year. Click all. If you see this one, in 2010, Persistent Systems price is 204 rupees. In 2020 March, price is 470 rupees. That means in 10 years, the price was increased from 2000 to 430, means approximately 230 rupees increased. It was doubled in 10 years. Now we'll see the 10 years results. Here, if you see the profits, in 2012, 141 crores, 187 crores, 249, 290, 277, 301, 323, 351, 340, 450. Here, throughout 10 years, its profits are increasing. Only here in 2020, here profits decrease only 10 crores. But throughout remaining years, profits are increasing. But price was not increased in 10 years. Here in 2010, price is 204. In 2020, 460 rupees. Okay, results are good, but price was not increased much. But April 30, 2020 onwards, price was increased from 470 rupees to 2800 rupees within 1 year. So this is multi-bagger in within 1 year. So this is fundamentally good stock. If we invest money in this type of stocks for long term, then we'll get multi-baggers. But we need to consider entry price also, that is important. If we invest in good fundamental company at high price, then we'll not get good profits in the future. So entry price also important for future returns. So here within 1 year, price was increased from 460 to 2800. Now we'll check PE. PE before result is 48. PE after result is 42. Now we'll compare current PE with 3 years median PE, 4 years median PE and 8 years median PE. Current PE is 42. 3 years, 5 years and 8 years. Median PE is 15 to 18 range. So current PE is more than 3, 5 and 8 years median PE. That means currently Version systems is overvalued based on PE, but we need to check other ratios also. So conclusion is pros. Year on year results are excellent. Cons, overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 16. Current PE is 42. Based on 3 years median PE, currently persistent system is overvalued. Risk, price increases from 730 rupees to 2900 rupees in 1 year. If the market corrects, this stock also will correct. If the stock corrects, then if we invest at that time for future returns, then we'll get more returns in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.